The Blues' defence of the FA Cup sees them at Kenilworth Road for a place in the quarter-finals. De Bruyne and Haaland! 3 minutes, that's all it's taken. Taylor looking to isolate Haaland again on halfway. De Bruyne and Haaland's through. He's onside. 2-0. 2 assists from De Bruyne, 2 for Haaland. Again he's onside. Again it's De Bruyne with the assist. And Haaland has his hat-trick. 3-0 in 40 minutes. Here's Clark. Oh, brilliant goal. Right on half-time. Barkley couldn't quite get it, but he's onto it again. And Clark, can you believe it? It's suddenly 3-2. Walker, that's a lovely ball. De Bruyne, Haaland's waiting. The Blues have 4, Haaland has 4, De Bruyne 4 assists. Nunez, Bernardo Silva. Haaland! 5! That's the second time he's scored 5 for the Blues. Kovacic gets his name on the score sheet as well. What a night. Well, Anthony Taylor adds no time on. What a cup tie it's been. The Blues into the quarter-finals.
Matteo, your first goal for City must have been a nice feeling.
Yeah, it's obviously nice to score, but I never watch my game through the goals. I bring some different qualities to the team, but I think overall we had a great game today, scoring a lot of goals. Unfortunately conceding 2, but we still have a long way to go and to keep improving.
And Erling, 5 goals, it must be great as a midfielder to have a player like that to feed through. Incredible.
5 goals in a game. It's unbelievable, and his mentality is just to score goals and to be there fighting today. I think his overall game was amazing, not just the goals. And yeah, a player that you love and enjoy to have in your team.
And quarter-finals, you can see how much the lads want to win this competition again, can't you?
Of course. They know what is winning, and it's the most beautiful feeling to win, and we are happy to go to a next round and fight for another semi-final and to be there and fight for the trophies what are possible.
Yeah, and that's the perfect way to go into the Manchester derby, isn't it?
Yeah. We expect a big game. Manchester derbies are always big, and there will be a tough opponent, and we will be ready for and prepare the game well.
Brilliant. Thanks a lot,
Thank you very much.